All right, everyone, and welcome back. We're going to be going over strong lows and what makes a strong low valid. Now, you may hear people say QM, known as Quasimodo, which is another word for a strong low, strong high, weak low. A QM is pretty much just the general word, right? It's meaning whatever, strong low, strong high, weak low, weak high. You're just talking about the pattern, which is this one here. All right. For example, since we're going over strong lows, as they say QM, they're talking about this. Whether it's weak, whether it's strong, it doesn't matter. QM, Quasimodo, that's what they're talking about, right? So just want to get that out the way. So what makes a strong low valid? A strong low must take out a previous low and then break structure. Now that previous low, remember, because the market is fractal, that previous low may look like this on the smaller time frame, right? And that's also valid, okay? So in other words, it's taking out previous low, which is what? Which is liquidity, right? It's taking out liquidity and then breaking structure. That's what makes a valid strong low. So it can look like this. It can look like this, right? It can even look like this. All right. There is no perfect strong low in the market. It can look however it wants. But the whole point, the whole idea is that it takes out a previous structure point, then breaks structure. All right. And of course, that higher time frame. So if on the 4 hour, it's gonna look like this. This, right? On the 4 hour is simply a low. Just let's say a three candle formation. And that's all it is. But when you go down to, let's say, the 15-minute, it's going to look something like this, right? This is still a strong low. That's why we use multiple time frames, right? And of course, we want to choose a time frame that is clear for us. All right. All right. Well, that's it for now. On to the next one.